Facilitation of movement is a right and an obligation of every individual, state or government to help the mobility of people seeking safety.
In the context of the criminal trial against the Juventa crew, we have filed a constitutional complaint that fundamentally questions the legitimacy of the laws that impose punishment for facilitation of unauthorized border crossing.
The constitutional complaint asks for clarity not only on Italian law, but also on the EU Facilitators Package, arguing that it violates the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union.
The Constitutional Court case is an important legal battle which could have an impact transnationally in relevant cases across Europe.
It's time to rethink the whole discipline.
La nostra ricerca mostra come nell'Unione Europea nel 2022 almeno 102 persone che hanno agito in solidarietà con persone migranti hanno poi dovuto subire come conseguenze dei loro atti procedimenti penali o amministrativi.
People in solidarity who were providing life-saving emergency response now face the risk of criminal charges if they assist people on the move in the moment they arrive in Europe.
And the far more real danger is that what is actually being criminalized is the aim of seeking asylum.
The only real outcome from cases and policies that restrict humanitarian assistance and search and rescue at sea is state-sponsored murder. Needless deaths occurring in conditions that we know we could have prevented.
Instead, laws that criminalize people on the move are a deliberate instrument. They essentially enforce the subjugation of people on the move.
The consequences of these laws in the lives of the people are evident and vivid as we speak. As it results to a more militarized world, more people are left stranded and trapped on borders.
Smuggling is not an imposition forced on migrants against their will from which they must be saved, but rather a necessary service in the absence of any other options.
Facilitating people's crossing of a border, the access to European territory, and therefore the chance for effective protection, asylum, and a better future cannot be a crime.
What protects migrants from exploitation and physical harm more than anything are safe and legal entry routes.